Hello and welcome back to Walkman Phones. Today is a special day. I'm taking the plunge on wireless headphones. Um, I was a holdout for a long time here, but I got a deal for the Apple AirPods second generation, and I decided to go for it. I'm tired of wires. I like the sound quality of the headphones that I have right now. I'll show you. These are my Walgreens specials, I call them, little Sony style headphones. And a lot of you might remember this particular style, just a real, like a circular piece, right? Almost circular. And then the foam. I like headphones that just kind of stick into your ear and you don't have to jam them all the way into your ear. So, I mean, honestly, if somebody could just, wireless headphone manufacturers, if you could just make this style and take off the wire, I will totally buy them. It does seem that everything that's out now, besides the standard AirPods, is a style more like this, with the rubber tips that you have to jam into your ear, and I don't know, they always slip. They're not too comfortable. It's almost like they make your ear canal feel claustrophobic or something. I don't know. I'm not crazy about them though. The Xperia 5 came with headphones like that, and I didn't even really use them, to be honest. Plus, they came with the one with the, I don't have them to show, but the cords aren't the same length, and they want you to wrap one around the back of your neck, and then it runs down the side all weird, and I couldn't do it. So I decided to take a roll with the AirPods. So just wanted to show them off a little bit. This is not new stuff, so most people have probably seen AirPods and unboxings, but for me it's exciting, so I wanted to do it. This is not the wireless charging variety. I don't have wireless charging on anything right now, so I figured, why should my headphones be special? A nice little minimalistic box, you know, typical Apple. So we'll take what's in here and take a look. Okay, so we got, let's see, get the camera a little bit better. Okay, that off. Designed by Apple in California, naturally. So pretty much the same style box that your iPhone's set up, you know. What we got here, should they tell you? Okay, what version of iOS it works with, yada yada yada. These work with Android as well, and that was another big reason that I wanted to get them. You know, the integration isn't as strong. Obviously, you lose a couple features, but to be honest with you, I really don't care about losing a couple features. I just want something that's comfortable and that I can get away from wires. You know, the Pros unfortunately have the rubber tip that I was just showing, so I'm not crazy about that. And I did like the EarPods that Apple usually sends out. I like that style, you know, this just real basic. They just kind of hang off your ear or hang in your ear. So here they are, you know, the dental floss case, right? Let's see here. There is no charger or anything. I mean, I guess Apple at this point is you know, saying you should have a charger, and even if they did come with a charger, you know, it would jump the price, so it's not worth it. And chargers are easy to come by for the most part. Everybody has a lightning charger at this point, I think. Okay, take that off, and you get your glossy white, clean, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. I think that's a sync button. I can't be sure though. I don't know. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Like I said, this is my first foray into wireless headphones. And then you open them up. Looks like they've got a little bit of charge. I want to say they work for about 5 hours without having to charge them in the case itself. I want to say we'll charge 2 or 3 times before you need to redo it. So here's the left one, little magnets, pretty slick. You hear the click, nice tactile. Yeah, so I mean, this is a real basic unboxing, right? Everybody knows what these are. The thing that I will say I like about the Pro, you know, not enough to make me get them, obviously, because of the rubber tip and just, I don't know, that styling in general. The stem is shorter. And I'm not crazy about the stem on these, I'm going to be honest with you. And I was a holdout because of that. But just looking at the landscape of wireless earbuds, it just seems everybody does the rubber tip and, you know, the suction grab, whatever you want to, however you want to phrase that. And I just couldn't get on board. You know, I wanted the Sony ones, the fancy ones, the noise canceling, but they looked a little heavy. It kind of looked like you were wearing an old school Bluetooth piece, and they had the suctions, the rubber tips, and I just couldn't do it. So I just decided to just go with the basic 2nd generation AirPods 2, or however you phrase that, for whatever they're calling them. I think they just call them AirPods. They don't even bother with calling them 2nd gen or 2 or anything like that. But there's your charging port, lightning. And yeah, that's it. So I don't want to ramble on too much. This has already been too long for an unboxing of AirPods, but just want to show them off because I'm kind of excited. And yeah, that's it. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.